Hey, 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 hello, how are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to continue practicing phonology. Here we go. Open your book to page 19, spelling lesson 3. Writing our words. Okay, first, listen and pronounce. Listen and write. Okay, step 2, turn the book upside down. Okay, and listen and write. Okay, here we have our word list. Please pay attention.
Lesson 3. The words you will hear are not necessarily in the same order as the ones in the book. Watch out for the missing word. Seal, seal. Out, out. Feet, feet. Cow, cow. Clown, clown. Crown, crown. Sheep, sheep. Sound, sound. Team, team.
Okay, and our missing word is E. Excellent. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. Remember to continue practicing your word list and taking count. Life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.